Hello, King families. As our King Lions are expanding their roar this year with Courage to Learn, we want to make sure that parents are aware of school happenings each week. We also will be highlighting the great things happening at school. King families, it's getting close to the time where school is about to begin, and we have teachers that are coming back this week. Thought it would be important to review some things to help your students get set to come back to school the next week. Remember that there are routines that take place when school's in session, maybe going to bed a little bit earlier and kind of getting in that mode for school to start. We're excited to be welcoming you back. The next week we'll have back to school night and school information will be coming out soon, so watch for that to come. Now you're in the know. We are King Lions, expanding our roar with Courage to Learn.